When they're strangers, but they sing pretty well. What should I do? Puppy looks like he's meditating. Deeply inhale, boy.
Do you see that? What's the point of the seat cover if she's underneath it? What are you doing?
That Woody's lid is off of his food.
A break-in occurred, and the investigation is still underway. Who could the culprit be anyway?
You in here? Are you smiling? Are you such a happy girl?
This is how I smile after taking my braces off.
Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, thank you for that beautiful smile. Oh, yes.
Sometimes, too much love might turn kisses into a gagging session.
Oh.
There are two ways to enjoy the weekend. Which team are you in? He just really wants to be the most handsome doggo in town.